Dogecoin, the coin that shouldn't have worked but did. In a world of serious coins, financial giants, and blockchain white papers, one meme said, "So crypto? Much wow," and accidentally made history. Dogecoin, the joke that went to space. Back in 2013, two guys, one Adobe engineer, one IBM nerd, looked at Bitcoin and said, "Cool tech, but what if we made it stupid?" They weren't trying to change the world. They were just trolling. But the internet said, this is art. Dogecoin had no plan, no cap, infinite supply. And its tech? Basically a Bitcoin remix with clown shoes. But people loved it. Why? Because Dogecoin was fun. Because it didn't take itself seriously. And because memes are more powerful than logic. Community plus chaos equals rocket. Dogecoin users weren't investors. They were fans. And they built a movement around kindness, tipping, and dog faces. Sponsored NASCAR cars. Raised money to send the Jamaican bobsled team to the Olympics. Literally paid to build a well in Kenya. No roadmap, just vibes. Then came 2020. Lockdowns, stimulus checks, a bored internet with access to trading apps. Dogecoin went from hot to how much? When meme plus momentum equals magic. The rise was wild, but the fall? Also wild. Price swung like a yo-yo in a hurricane. People made millions, lost millions. Some just enjoyed the ride. So, is Dogecoin really money? Dogecoin taught the crypto world something strange. That fun has value. That people don't always want complex tech. Sometimes they just want to be part of something joyful. And in a weird way, Dogecoin became the heart of crypto culture. Sometimes the joke is the message. Will Dogecoin become real money? Maybe, maybe not. But it's more than just a meme. It's a community, a symbol, a reminder that sometimes the internet makes magic. So serious. Much finance. Very moon. Dogecoin, born as a joke. Lived as a legend. Subscribe for more absurd but true crypto tales.